Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get one free NVIDIA Deep Learning course and learn AI, ML and Generative AI with the certificate. So get one NVIDIA Deep Learning course, upgrade your skill in AI, data science, deep learning and generative AI with the NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute, DLI. So learn the NVIDIA expert through the hands-on GPU labs, real-world projects, and an official DIL certificates. So claim your free course now. So this is the URL. We'll go through the URL. And after that, explore top trending courses, topics. So deep learning, neural networking, data science, machine learning, generative AI and LLMs, GPU computing and accelerated system, perfect for the student, developer, professional who wants to start a grow in AI field. Don't miss the limited time offer. Learn, earn and grow your AI career with the NVIDIA DLI today. So let me open the URL. So this is the Deep Learning Institute self-paced training. Claim one free DLI course complete within the 6 month. Scroll down to see the full list. So these are the courses. So length is 8 hours. Access for the 6 month. Accelerating end-to-end data science workflow. So claim the course. Fundamentals of accelerated data science. Generative AI with the diffusion models, getting started with the deep learning, introduction to transformer based neural network, neural language processing, and these are the courses. Okay, so check as your related courses. So fundamental of accelerated data science or accelerating end-to-end data science workflow. So I'm just checking with the fundamentals. So just click on the claims. You have to put the your email address, then continue. Display name and date of birth. Put some password. So first drag the food to feed the bunny. Okay. Verify. Done. Now click on the create account. So verify your email. 6-digit code sent to your email address. Let me check with my email address. So I got the code. So this is the code. Just click on the continue. SDK. Just click on this. So this is the recommended setting. Yes, I'll go to the default setting and SDK. Then create your profile. Organize. Okay, select the organization university from drop down. So I'm checking one of this. Organization URL. So I'm putting one URL. Industry. and location India. Okay. So development area, generative and data science, and these are the uh, your selection. You can select. So click on submit. So accept all. I'm in this page. So course in progress one, the fundamental of data science. Click on this and you will get all the details about the course content. So hands-on task and other things. So there is a 40 slides are there. You can go through the step by step and go through that and complete the process. So in this video, we have learned how to get one free NVIDIA Deep Learning course, learn AI, ML, Generative AI with the certificate, get one free NVIDIA Deep Learning course, upgrade your skill in AI, data science, deep learning and generative AI with the NVIDIA. So learn from this. So we have go through this and note, follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more certification, tutorial and learning content. So don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.